The FP700's modular design allows you to easily switch between the spraying and spreading systems. This lesson demonstrates the correct procedure. Safety first, always power off the drone completely and remove the batteries before starting any payload switching procedure. Removing the current payload, example, spraying system.
Today we will talk about replacement between spraying and seeding of FP700. The specific steps are as follows. Before replacement, we need to turn off the UPS first. When the power is off, remove the battery. Unplug the quick plug connector of the medicine tank's water pipe and disconnect the water pipe connection. Use an M2.5 screwdriver to loosen the screws on the water pump and nozzle 2 quick plug connector. Unplug the wiring harness of the water pump and nozzle 2. Connect the wiring harness of nozzle 2 to the reserve port at the lower right corner and tighten screws. Remove the medicine tank from above and set aside.
Installing the new payload, example, spreading system.
First, rotate the SP6 centrifugal spreader at a certain angle. Put it vertically inside, and then turn the material tank straight after the spreader goes down, so as to facilitate installation. When installing, pay attention to the direction of the wire harness toward the tail, and install carefully to avoid the extrusion of the wire harness. Connect the gear motor wire harness to the first and second interfaces of the seeding motor, and the centrifugal motor wire harness to the spinning disc interface, and use the M2.5 screwdriver to fix the wire. Close the back cover and use cable ties or double connections to fix the water pipe to avoid adverse impact on the operation. Enter the remote control setting. Adjust the rotation speed of the centrifugal disc. Check whether there are variables. Click the spread test and observe whether the roller works normally. Notes: be sure to completely power off before the replacement of spreading and spraying to prevent short circuit cost. Nozzle 2 wiring harness must be connected to the lower right corner reserve port position. Before connection, clean the inside of the reserve port and screw it properly to prevent short circuit caused by fertilizer entering the avionics module. Pay attention to distinguish the positive and negative sides of the connector when removing and inserting the connector to avoid damaging the pin or causing short circuit.
Always handle components carefully and double-check all connections before powering on the drone after switching payloads.